In the winter of 1970, nestled high in the Himalayas, a remote monastery faced impending doom as a colossal avalanche thundered down the mountainside. The monks, deeply engrossed in their evening prayers, were startled by the deafening roar. As they rushed outside, they witnessed an extraordinary spectacle. An enormous, protective snow barrier materialized out of nowhere, halting the avalanche in its tracks. The monks, bewildered and awestruck, fell to their knees in gratitude. Some believed it was the manifestation of divine intervention, while others speculated about the presence of a mystical guardian spirit. News of this miraculous event spread slowly through the isolated valleys, becoming a cherished legend among the local communities and a testament to the enduring mystery and wonder of the Himalayas.